Alright, so this is the cover for the other style. The earlier one. I don't know. Let me see if we can. It is a 1708. So you got a 1708 and a 1914, and they're not the same. One will have a USB-C, one will have a USB micro. This one here, the file came out really good. The other one has kind of like a hexagon shape, where it's not as smooth. But there's some other ones that I'm going to try out tomorrow and print, so it shouldn't be a big deal. But yeah, I think this controller came from the thrift store and it didn't have a cover. They never do. I don't know what the reason is, but anyway, fits in there, stays in there. So there you go. I just used red because that's what I had in the thing already. So there's a little gap right here. Maybe the material could be a little thicker. You could play around with it in the slicer, but it's really close. Somebody spent a lot of time to probably make that